Even though I wrote interior angle first, which one's easier to find? Yeah, so if you just take 360, divide by the number of sides, you'll get each exterior angle. So when you do that, you wind up with 15.7 approximately. And then all you need to do to solve for each interior angle is basically take the supplement of that. So if we subtract that value from 180, we get 164.3 as our answer. Now we can confirm this, or you can use the longer method for this. You could take n minus 2 times 180 all over n. If you did that for this 23-sided polygon, you would still get the same answer. So if you took 21 times 180 divided by 23, it is still going to lead you to that solution.